So I have separated the motor and the generator from the frame, and I'll show you why I'm going to go do all this, because of the paint's coming off a lot of places. So you can see right here, you can see that there's no adherence on the paint. So I'm going to clean all this up and paint it. This is just a little bit. This is on the motor, so I got to clean that up. I'm going to try to brighten this back up, the aluminum. And you can see over here also, we've got the same thing on this, on these parts like this. Well, of course, that, and then the muffler, you know, it's all rusty. We don't need it to rust out, so I'm going to clean that up and come this way, and I'll show you the frame. The frame. So, yeah, we could get by with, I mean, the engine runs, it generates power. We could probably get away with it, but why not fix the obvious? You know, this has all got to be cleaned up. And I'll take it down to the bare metal where I need to and prime it and paint it. But the top part's not bad. It's all near the bottom. And even down here, you know, look at this. I can just peel the paint right off. And that's the leg that it sits on. So it needed to be generated, and you wouldn't want this part to rust off. So that's what I'll be doing, cleaning this up and getting it ready for paint. And then I'll put it all back together and we'll test it again. I did run the motor, I did change the oil, and I checked the generator. Everything's working. So I'm just going to clean it up now and make it a nice generator. So that's where we're at right now.